Alina's here. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching my videos. And today I want to show you my detailed nighttime skincare routine. This video was very much requested, so I'm going to show you the exact steps that I do every single day and some extra steps that I do twice or 3 times a week. So I always start by removing my makeup, and I'm using this makeup vanishing balm. This is a brand new product that MONAT rolled out just a few weeks ago, and it's absolutely phenomenal. Honestly, I have never seen a product remove Sharpies from your face. I mean, not that you're really using Sharpies, but it just shows how powerful this product is with naturally based ingredients. So that blows my mind. So it is basically like waxy kind of consistency. It's very thick. So it comes with this little spatula. So I always just scoop out a little bit. You don't need to have your face wet or anything. Just scoop it out. Then you warm it in your fingers a little bit. So I'll just take all of it on my hands. I'm going to warm it up in my fingers, and I'm just going to gently start working my makeup off. So once you can see that your makeup is literally melting off of your face, there are 2 different options what you can do. You can use a washcloth and just wipe it off, or you can use water and just rinse off your face. Since I don't have access to water right now, I'll just wipe it off. So you can see how easily the makeup just slides off of your face. It's literally like seconds. It's so much better than any makeup remover wipes I've ever tried, and I tried a lot being a makeup artist, so I'm super impressed with this product. And it leaves your skin looking and feeling so refreshed and literally makeupless. So the second step that I do every single night, I wash my face. So I wash my face twice at night. The reason for that being that the first time when you wash your face, you remove, the remnants of makeup, dirt, dust, whatever is sitting on the surface. The second time, you're actually cleansing your face. So you're getting deeper into the pores. And why we don't want any remnants of makeup or any dust left in our skin, it's because then using any creams or serums or oils, whatever you're using next, is pointless, because it's not going to get into the pores, it's not going to get deep into the skin cells. So literally you're wasting your time and money basically. So what I normally do, I use these 2 cleansers, and really you don't have to use 2. I just have 2 of them. I really like them. They work a little bit differently. The Be Balanced one is designed for a combination to normal skin, and I feel like it cleanses really well. And then the Be Gentle foamy cleanser, it's just very luxurious. It's very light. It's very, I don't know, it's just very lightweight. So I like to use both of them. So the first time I would use the Be Balanced one, and the second time I would use the Be Gentle. And really you don't have to use both. I just have them. I love them both, so I'm gonna use them both. And first thing first, you need to wet your face. So I'm just gonna spray my face with water. I'm gonna use a little bit of this. Keep in mind, all the products are super concentrated, so you just really need a little bit. Second time, I'm using this, the Be Gentle cleanser. You just come running by. So now that our face is nice and clean and fresh, I'm going to show you the step that I normally use. I normally do 2 or 3 times a week. I exfoliate my face using this Berry Refined scrub. And this scrub is amazing. It doubles off as a mask actually, so it uses cranberry seeds instead of, you know, plastic microbeads, because cranberry seeds are so much more gentle on your skin. They're not going to damage your skin. And it also is packed with rejuvenate oil, with AHAs, which are fruity acids. So it's really nice. So how I normally use it, I apply just a little bit of it. Like literally guys, this scrub, I started it in September, ever since when the company rolled out the skincare the very first time, and it's already May. Like it's the middle of May, so you guys, it lasted me over 6 months, and I'm not even halfway through the container. So you can see how long it lasts, and I usually use it 2 or 3 times a week. So really you just need a little bit. So what I do, I just wet my face. So I'm gonna spray it with water, because your skin needs to be down, and you just work it in circular motions. You can also do it on your neck. Since I have limited access to water, I'm not gonna do it on my neck. So this scrub, like I said, doubles off as a mask. So you would leave it on for about 5 minutes or so, and then you will rinse it off. It is going to leave your skin really nicely cleansed and feeling like silk. And why is it important to exfoliate your skin? It's just because every day our skin loses about 50 million dead skin cells. Can you imagine 50 million dead skin cells are sitting on your face? That's why you might notice that, you know, you're starting to have breakouts because all the dead skin cells are clogging your pores. You're going to notice the dull skin, you know, the skin tone that's really, really dull, uneven. And then you will also notice that when you apply your foundation, it's gonna go cakey, or, you know, you'll see some imperfections, you'll see some flakiness underneath it. So we really want to exfoliate our face. The happy medium would be to exfoliate your face 2 or 3 times a week, because if you over exfoliate, that is going to lead to, you know, maybe some really, really dry skin. It's going to strip off, you know, your natural oils, which we don't want to do. It's also going to contribute to little tiny cracks in your skin, which we don't want. So happy medium, which is, you know, recommended by dermatologists, would be 2 to 3 times a week of exfoliating. So now I'm just gonna go rinse the scrub off, and I'm going to come back. And I'm back. So I left the scrub on for about 5 minutes or so, and I rinsed it off, and oh my gosh, my skin feels so smooth and so soft. It feels like literally like silk. So this is what you can expect when you're using this scrub. It's so super gentle. Honestly, the ones that I used before would have, you know, plastic microbeads. They would leave skin a little bit, you know, dry feeling, but this one feels so nice and luxurious. So next step in my skincare routine is the Skin Revitalizing Essence. And I always use this Skin Revitalizing Essence before applying all the serums and oils and anything else, just because this is a very essential step in prepping my skin for absorbing all the goodness in the serums and everything. So right now, a lot of brands are switching to essences versus toners. So this is not designed to cleanse your skin. This is designed to prep your skin. And it basically works on a cellular level to make sure that your skin is, you know, happy, and it's going to absorb all the goodness in your nighttime serums. So next step would be the Rewind Age Control Nectar. This nectar is literally gold for your skin. It is packed with vitamin C, and we know that vitamin C helps to brighten your skin. It also helps to, you know, regenerate the skin. There's all the ingredients in this serum. I'm not gonna go into them. I'm not gonna go into science because it's gonna take me an hour. So I'm just gonna say that it has, you know, Kakadu plum, which is packed with vitamin C, and Rejuvenic Oil S, which is Rejuvenic Oil on steroids, and some other ingredients that are like peptides and things like that. So this is really going to work at night, and it's going to make sure that your skin is basically regenerating at night, because this is when our, you know, our skin is reproducing kind of thing. So why are we using this only at night? Because this stuff makes your skin really photosensitive, so you don't want to use it in the morning and go outside not wearing any sunscreen. Obviously wear sunscreen every day, regardless if it's sunny out or gloomy out, you need to put sunscreen on your face. So next, I always use Rejuvenic Oil on my face still religiously every morning and night. I apply Rejuvenic Oil, and really you just need, you know, a couple drops of this liquid gold. This oil acts basically like the natural oil that our skin produces. As we're getting older, our skin does not produce as much natural oil. That's why we notice as we're getting older, everything gets drier. You know, we see the formation of fine lines and wrinkles, and our skin is just not as plump as it used to be. So this is going to ensure we are replenishing all, you know, all the goodness in that basically our natural oils produce. This is the closest thing on the market out there, which has the smallest molecular structure that can actually penetrate deep into the skin cells. And now I'm going to apply some Eye Smooth Nourishing Eye Cream. This cream, you guys, helped me get rid of my dark circles under eyes. And you can see, like, I'm not wearing any makeup at all. You can see that my dark circles that I used to have are literally practically non-existent, which is crazy. I started noticing the difference within probably a week or so. So it also comes with a spatula. By the way, all the products need to be scooped out with spatulas just to avoid, you know, the contamination of products. This is going to ensure that your products last you longer and don't breed any bacteria or anything. So make sure you cleanse them after using. Make sure that, like, you don't put your fingers in your products, because that's going to just make them go bad faster. And again, this cream comes with this roller, which is magic for your skin, you guys. I love to put it in the fridge, and it's just so nice and cold. It makes me relax at night, and it depuffs. It's just great. So I always use this cream. And the final step, one of the final steps, would be the Night Haven Night Cream. This is the cream that MONAT rolled out in, I think it was over Black Friday, and everybody was raving about it. It is the most luxurious skin product I've ever tried. No kidding. It smells so good. It is very subtle, but yet very rich, and I would say like expensive. Like if you've ever used really expensive high-end skincare, this is what you're getting for the fraction of the price. I would say MONAT skincare is priced so well. I'm actually really surprised they didn't make it more expensive, because when you walk, even in a drugstore, if you walk and look around the pricing, it's very, very competitive, very similar to what MONAT has to offer, but with much better ingredients, with much better quality. And the very last step, I always apply the Lush and Brow serum. This is just going to make sure my lashes and my eyebrows are fab and don't have any, you know, bold spots in them like I used to have. So I always apply this morning and night if I don't forget. So basically this is my nighttime skincare routine. I pretty much use all the products all the time except for the scrub, because like I said, you don't have to exfoliate your face every single night, right? I use it about 2 or 3 times a week, but for the most part, everything else I use every single night. And I've been using this skincare for about 6 months now, and I'm so happy with the results that I'm getting. I'm so happy with my skin. Like I said, my dark circles are practically non-existent. I very rarely have puffy eyes. I don't have any crow's feet. I don't have any new fine lines and wrinkles. And I'm, you know, 34 years old. So after you turn 30, everything is going downhill. And another thing that I've noticed immensely is that I don't get the hormonal acne as bad as I used to get. Oh my gosh, I don't know what happens, but it's just, you know, these breakouts just come, and it's around your jaw area, all around my neck. And you can see how clear my skin is right now, which is phenomenal. You guys, I would be so uncomfortable to be on camera without makeup before, and right now I can actually do it. I would have like a random pimple here and there, like that one time a month, which is normal, and you can't really go away anywhere from it, but the rest is amazing. And like I said, the skin feels so hydrated, and it's just, it almost adds that, you know, glow, healthy glow from within, and it's really hard. I would say my skin tone is so much more even. I don't get these like stubborn dark spots that I used to have, especially in spring. I would get lots of sunspots. This spring, I barely have any. Like, I would get a random spot here and there, but not nearly as bad as I used to have. So I'm super happy with my results. I've never seen a skincare line perform quite this one. I've always been using really high-end, expensive skincare lines because I really believe that you pay what you get for. I mean, you get what you pay for. So this is it. This is my nighttime skincare routine. Hopefully this video was somewhat useful for you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I'll always leave my email down in the comments. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. You can get, you know, some tips and tricks and style and fashion tips and makeup over there as well. And thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you later. Bye guys.